So guys, today we're going from this to this. So this is what we are installing today. It's the pin bolts for the brake caliper. And the reason we need to change these are because this is an unusual tool. It's an inverted hex and it doesn't have any safety wiring possibilities. So our good friends from Alpharacing supply us with these ones, and it's more secure. Even from the backside there's a pin that you can secure it. You have some fasteners here. I will show you them later when I remove the caliper. They're easy to get lost. They will just disappear if you're not careful. And you have the ability to safety wire this. So another Alpharacing product. I am not associated with them in any ways, and if Alpharacing guys are watching this, please send me free stuff. I love free stuff if it's possible, or at least discount. So next step is to remove these two bolts and remove the caliper, and I'll do that and get back to you. So as you can see, I've changed my bolts. They're pre-drilled for safety wiring, so I'm using a 12 socket. I don't remember if it's 12 or not, but these should be fastened with 30 Newton meters. So you just remove these and the whole brake caliper will come loose. And after you remove this, please don't touch your brake lever and remove one at a time. So they're loose, and these are my pre-drilled bolts. Just remove them, and then what I do usually is I wiggle from side to side the brake caliper. The other one is still in there, so I haven't removed that one. As you can see, just wiggle it a little bit so you get the brake pads distance, and that's the whole caliper. So this is the actual screw we're going to replace, and as you can see on the rear side there's this tiny thing that is kind of safety, and when you unscrew this will disappear. So put a screwdriver to the edge and flip it off. Sorry for that. So I've already lost this one, it disappeared. So you just put the screwdriver there and then remove this pin, and that one is gone as well. And then what you need is an inverted hex. I'll show you the tool in a second. So this is what I'm using, 6mm, and as you can see the grooves here, it will fit right on top of that, and then you can unscrew one of these screws first. I'll do that and get back to you. So here's the screw. It will go across and hold the brake pads in. Those are the brake pads, and this is the spring that keeps it in place. So I'll just remove the screw, and this is what they look like. Not that nice. We're gonna leave it aside. So this is the difference between the screws. Weight wise, the Alpha screw feels a bit heavier in my hand, just a bit. And we insert the screw here, and we need to tighten this. I'll do that and get back to you. So there it is. Just tighten this. And I don't have the torque specification for this, so I just made sure it's tight, not over tight. And then I inserted this pin, which is a safety pin, as you can see, inside the pre-drilled hole, and bulge your ankle. Now we have to repeat this here and on the other side as well. And basically you do the same thing. So this was a short video on the brake caliper screws that will keep your brake pads inside. Will make your life easier on track when you change your brake pads, and you don't have to lose these. And if you lose them, you can just safety wire them to each other from the rear side. And that's it. See you soon. Bye.